So on behalf of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, myself Justin Leo, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, I welcome you all for this Maintenance Engineering course. The course code is ME6012 and this is an elective 3 course for the Mechanical Engineering students for the Regulation 2013. And in this video session, we will be studying about Unit 1, Principles and Practices of Maintenance Planning. And that will be studying about the importance and benefits of a sound maintenance system. So these the objectives of the syllabus to enable the students to understand the principles, functions and practices adopted in industry for the successful management of maintenance activities, and to explain the different maintenance categories like preventive maintenance, condition monitoring and repair of machine elements, and to illustrate some of the simple instruments used for condition monitoring in industry. And regarding the syllabus for the Unit 1, Principles and Practices of Maintenance Planning, this basic principles of maintenance planning, objectives and principles of plain maintenance activity, importance and benefits of sound maintenance systems, reliability and machine availability, MTBF, MTTR and the MWT, factors of availability, maintenance organization and maintenance economics. So these are all the textbooks for this maintenance engineering course and the reference books. And the course outcomes for the students: upon the completion of this course, maintenance engineering, the students will be able to apply the concept and principles of maintenance processes based on the industrial configuration on completing Unit 1, and the students will be able to analyze the maintenance categories, preventive maintenance, methods of lubrications and TPM on completion of Unit 2, and on completion of Unit 3, the students will be able to illustrate appropriate condition monitoring techniques, including vibration, thermal and lubricants analysis. And from Unit 4, the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for basic machine elements. And from Unit 5, the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for material handling equipments. So, maintenance engineering is nothing but the activity of applying engineering concepts for the optimization of equipments, the procedures, and for the departmental budgets in order to achieve better maintainability, reliability, and the availability of equipments. So for that, planning is very important, which ensures the smooth operation of the system. So planning is defines what is to be done and how is to be done. So it specifies the materials, tools, equipments, and skills that are required to perform the work. So importance and benefits of sound maintenance system. So the minimization of downtime. So that is a very important benefit of a sound maintenance system, and the improvement in availability of the system, and the extended life of equipment, and the safety and the smooth operation of the processes, and providing adequate backup supply, minimization of normal expected wear and tear of equipments, and the safety of the personnel involved in the organization. So this is very, very important, and the safety of the personnel, and increase the reliability of the system, providing a proper working environment. So cost-effective maintenance boosts the profit of the production system. So these are all the importance and benefits of the sound maintenance system. And coming to the reliability. So what is reliability? Reliability is nothing but the probability that a component or system which operates under a given condition would perform its function, its intended function adequately for a specified period of time. So that is the reliability. And reliability, actually it is classified as inherent reliability and achievable reliability. So coming to the inherent reliability, it is associated with the quality of the material and the design of the machine parts. And achievable reliability, it fully depends on the maintenance and the operation of this equipments. So equipment life cycle. So reliability engineering is dependability in the life cycle management of a product. So the failure pattern of equipment over its life cycle can be represented as a bathtub curve. So here you have this failure rate, the y-axis, and the time in the x-axis, and you have three different phases. So phase 1 is the early failure period, and the phase 2 is the intrinsic failure period, and the phase 3 is the wear out failure period. So this is the equipment life cycle. And next is the mean time to failure, that is MTTF. So it is a very basic measure of reliability that is used for non-repairable systems. So there would be systems which won't be able to be repaired. So in that case, this mean time to failure is a very basic measure. So it represents the length of time that an item is expected to last in operation until it's failed. So here you can see from this figure, so this is the starting point, that is the device starts to work, and this red mark is the indication where the device failure occurs. So the time period between this device starts working and the device failure occurs is the lifespan of a device. So that can be represented by a formula MTTF, that is mean time to failure is nothing but the total hours of operation divided by the total number of units. So this is mean time to failure. So next is mean time between failures. So this term, that is MTBF, mean time between failures, is used for repairable systems. But this doesn't take into account the units that are shut down for routine scheduled maintenance. So here you have this figure. The red color is the failure occur time, and the green is the resume of the operations, and again the failure occur time. So this is the repair time. So the failure, and after that the same system started working at this point. So this is this time period is the repair time, and from here again the failure occurs at this red indication. So this is the time to failure. So once the failure occurs and after the system is being repaired, so the operation is resumed and again the failures occurs. So this time gap, that is a repair time and the time to failure, is called the time between failure. So mean time between failure is nothing but the total operational time divided by the total number of failures. So this is what is called as mean time between failures. And next is mean time to repair. So MTTR, it refers nothing but the amount of time required to repair a system and to restore its full functionality. So that is mean time to repair. So here the MTTR clock stops ticking when the repair starts. So here this repair, that is a failure, occurs, and it goes on until the operations are restored. So repair starts. So here failure occurs and here the repair starts, and it goes on until its operations are restored. So this is a repair time and this is a testing time and return to normal operation conditions. So resume of operations. So this includes repair time, the testing period, and return to normal operation times. So that is called mean time to repair. So mean time to repair is nothing but the total maintenance time divided by the total number of repairs. So with this we come to an end with this video session of the first unit. So thank you and have a great day.